Hi and welcome to day 1 of the monthly Happy Face Method sequence. I am so excited to have you here as we begin this transformative journey together. Today we're going to be focusing on the lower part of the face, including the jawline, your chin, and your mouth area. These areas are fundamental in creating a lifted and sculptured look. Why the lower face matters? The muscles in your jawline area not just shape definition of jawline, but they also support the entire structure of the face. Strengthening these muscles help to reduce sagging, to reduce wrinkles in the area, and also it's instrumental to lift the areas above, such as cheeks and mid-face. For example, strong jawline creates the overall definition, and it also helps the corner of the lips not to droop downward, which creates sad and unhappy appearance. What to expect? Today I'm going to guide you through 2 powerful and yet very simple exercises that are focused on the lower face. The Jawline Definer, which helps strengthen and lift the areas in the jawline, and the Lip Corner Lifter, which focuses on the area around the corners of the mouth, helping to lift the corners of the mouth upward and to prevent from sagging and sad appearance. You also have a chance to take before and after photo, and that's one of the most exciting part, because you're gonna save this photo and you will compare it after 4 weeks of regularly practicing those exercises, and you're gonna see an amazing transformation. And remember, it's not about perfection, it's about the progress. These small consistent steps will lead you to noticeable results, and I'm here with you with every step to guide you and to help you to create the most beautiful face you deserve. So now I will guide you through the Jawline Definer exercise. Sit on a chair or stand upright, ensuring your back is straight and your shoulders are relaxed. Keep your feet flat on the ground if standing, or your weight evenly distributed if sitting. Position your neck and head. Tilt your head slightly back so that your chin points slightly upward. Ensure your neck remains relaxed and elongated, avoiding any tension or stiffness. Engage your tongue. Press the entire surface of your tongue firmly against the root of your mouth. This activation helps engage the muscles in your chin and jawline. Lift and stretch. Slowly lift your chin upward as though you're reaching towards the ceiling with your jaw. Feel the gentle stretch along your jawline and under your chin. Hold the position. Maintain the stretch for 5 seconds, keeping your neck relaxed and your tongue engaged. Breathe naturally as you hold the position. Return to start. Gradually bring your head back to its starting position without straining your neck. Relax your tongue and let your jaw return to its neutral position. Repeat the movement. Perform the exercise 8 to 10 times, focusing on slow and controlled movements throughout the routine. And now we're gonna do lift corner lifter exercise. Prepare the posture. Sit or stand upright with your spine straight and shoulders relaxed. Ensure your head is in neutral position, not tilted forward or backward. Set the base smile. Form a gentle smile by lifting the corners of your mouth slightly upward. Imagine holding a thin pencil or a straw lightly between your lips. This will guide the subtle tension needed for the exercise. Position your fingers for resistance. Place your index finger slightly at the corners of your mouth. Apply gentle resistance by pressing slightly downward, just enough to feel it challenge without straining. Activate and lift. Slowly lift the corners of your mouth further upward, as if trying to create a bigger smile while working against the resistance from your fingers. Ensure your upper lip stays relaxed and doesn't move excessively. Hold the position. Maintain this lifted position for 5 seconds, feeling the muscles around the corners of your mouth engage. Breathe naturally as you hold the pose. Relax and release. Gradually relax the muscles and let your mouth return to the neutral, gentle smile position. Repeat the movements. Perform the exercise 8 to 10 times, focusing on slow and deliberate lifts with proper resistance. Small daily habits create big transformations. Start strong and celebrate every step of the progress. I'm excited to see you tomorrow to continue working on our face transformations. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow. Did you enjoy these quick facial exercises? This was just a sneak peek into the Happy Face method, a guided routine that helps you daily to transform your face from sagging and dull to lifted and happy. And the best thing is the first month it's entirely free. You can join me and practice with me daily. Take the before and after pictures, the picture on the day 1 and the picture on day 30, and compare it side by side and enjoy the transformation. Follow the link below, join me, and let's practice together.